Ever looked at that space in your garden and wanted to do something with it? Ever missed using your garden during the autumn-winter months? Or wanted more use in the summer? Do you work from home and need some extra space? Or a business owner looking to reduce overheads or a long commute? At Make Room Outside Living, we create bespoke and unique garden rooms for a range of different people and uses. We work with a customer and their budget to make a space as big or small as they would prefer. Your plan, your design, your space. Using our online configurator tool or with one of our design consultants at 3 Garden Showroom Villages, you can build your own garden room. Every space is different and every budget too, so choose your room size, cladding, how many windows you would like and type of door. You can even choose where you want your light switches, all the while tracking costs. Take a trip around our show villages and get a real feel for some of the rooms we've already made. How warm they are, the space and what you could do with yours. A gym, a garden bar, a games room, a quiet little retreat, or even just a multi-purpose room. The possibilities are endless. Our 3 Garden Showroom Villages are situated at Brigg Garden Centre in Lincolnshire, Cargate Garden Centre in Wakefield, and Halifax in Copley. With no hidden costs, you can rest easy, knowing that Make Room will support your garden room build from concept, plan and design, through to site considerations, delivery and installation. All garden rooms include foundations, installation, internal wiring, skirting boards, plastering and a point of contact throughout. We manufacture all our garden rooms in Halifax, West Yorkshire, and hold 25 years of modular building experience. Each panel is made bespoke and ready to be installed with ease in your garden, with minimum mess and disruption. What are you waiting for? What will you make room for today?